What's going on, everybody? This is Sean from BMW of South Austin, and on today's special feature Friday, I'll be going over the completely new 2023 BMW X1, as well as going over some of its new features. The 2023 BMW X1 is completely redesigned for 2023, featuring a longer wheelbase, making the entire vehicle longer, taller, and wider than the outgoing X1. Now, the 2023 BMW X1 has been completely redesigned, featuring a new upright kidney grille, standard LED headlights, new body lines along the side, as well as new rim options and a new door handle that were first seen on the 4 Series. Coming around to the back of the X1, you'll notice these new LED taillights with a 3D design that were first featured on the X3, as well as these geometrical design elements that were first featured on the 2023 X7. Hopping into the interior of the 2023 BMW X1, you'll notice a brand new steering wheel, curved iDrive 8 display, and the removal of the iDrive scroller wheel. The only way to navigate the infotainment system is by using the touchscreen. And like every other BMW with iDrive 8, your climate functions have been moved to the display. Simply click Climate menu and locate all of your climate options there.